Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be Rosti. Very simple and quick to make. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Peel the potatoes and remove the eye. Julian cut them or use any tools you have to quickly cut them. Using your hands, squeeze the water and the starch out of the potatoes. You can use kitchen towel to do it too. Put in 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix them up. It is easier to use your hands. Don't worry about the potatoes turning brown. It will turn back yellow once you cook them. And the cooking begins. At low heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil into a frying pan for each batch of rosti. You can use 3 tablespoons of oil if you do not have butter. Once butter is almost melted, add in the potatoes. We are using a 28 cm frying pan. Shape the potatoes once the height is around 4 cm high. Do not press on the potato. Just gently pat to even out the potatoes. Once the bottom is golden brown, get ready 2 flat bases with handles. We are using chopping boards. Slide the rosti down on one surface. Add in the same amount of butter and oil. Place another board on top and flip it, and slide in the potatoes. Once it's golden brown, it's ready to serve. You can also make mini rosti, but you will need to make a few more batches, which is more time consuming. And so let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!